I'm going to show you today how to set up the machine for free motion embroidery. First of all, we want to change the foot. So before I switch the machine on, this is our embroidery foot. So it would do the same thing as this one, but it's got an open bit so you can see where you're going when you're drawing with stitches. So to move the foot, there's a lever here. You push that back, give it a bit of a wiggle, and it will come off. We'll take that one off and put this one on. Down like that. So there's our foot on there. I'm going to turn the machine on now so you can see the light. The other thing we need to do, we've got these feeder feet here. We don't want them because this moves our fabric through, the machine does, but we want to move it around wherever we like. So we're going to drop those feet. So if you come down to here, this dial and this centre dial, it's actually this centre dial that we want to move. So at the moment it's on the zigzag and straight, but I'm going to move it across to this, what you'd call a darning kind of. So if I move those, the feet have dropped. So now we're in charge of moving the fabric. And we can put it in this. So I've just threaded the machine up as if I was sewing anything. It's all ready to go. I'm going to show you a few examples here of some work. So you can just kind of just draw with thread really. This was using some kitchen utensils. And I have another one here. So this one I drew a picture and then I embroidered with the picture and I took the picture away. So I'm going to show you how you do that today. So I've got a really simple picture. It's just a cup. I've got a hoop. I've got some fabric. So I'm going to put my fabric over the hoop. If you don't have to use a hoop, but if you use a hoop, it stops the fabric from wrinkling. It keeps it nice and stretched. So I've got my hoop on there, but I'm going to give it a little tighten. And then that's ready to go. So I'm going to put my cup on there. Just move it under there, so that will go under. I'm going to lower my foot, the lever at the back. And then off I go. As you can see, I can move my fabric any which way I like. Now I'm going to get it out. So lift your foot. If your needle's up, it should just tug out. I'm going to cut some threads. And I've done that, and then I'm going to just take my piece of paper off. You don't have to use a drawing, but you might have a drawing you want to use. You can just freestyle. And you just take it off because it's basically been perforated by the needle.